Yes, it's a male. Poker, blue collar.
And that was came readily. Oh, hi. Oh, are you a little submissive though? Okay, come on, Poker. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come on, puppy. Don't get distracted. Come here. Good dog. Oh, look at those paws. Oh, that's a little bit underfoot. You're cute. Come here. Those paws.
Doing the prancy thing.
Yes.
Look at that tail go.
Okay, so he came readily, tail up, 3, 3 on following. Oh, should we see? Oh, you have a super fat belly too. Super fat belly. Yeah. Oh, good. Thank you. You're a very sweet boy. Yeah. You gonna eat me? Are you gonna eat me? Lots of eye contact. Good dog. Good dog. Yeah. Scratch my belly, he says. So 3 on that one. Four on that one. I like him. I like you.
Tail wags again.
Yes.
You can hang me and let me kiss you while you do it.
Every time I talk. Good boy. Oh, what do you think of that? Is that fun? Good? Good? You don't think it's very funny? Oh, that's such a good puppy.
He does the prance back. I am so smart.
Oh, you are so smart. Good job.
Little prance cracks me up.
Good job. 1, 2, 3. So probably a 4 on that one. That's a good job.
Huh.
I like him.
So on the following, playing with that, the sight, what did you get on that?
Oh, on the sight one?
What did you put, Eric?
Put anything, yeah, that's
3.
And then on this one, he looked and hardly cared, did he?
Yeah. Probably a 4. Oh, there we go. But still a 4 probably initially.
Yeah, that's what I think. It looks like he's looking for a place to go. You want to grab him, I'll put him back in and you'll go on there.